bookshelves?
Oh, yeah,
Okay, what kind of nice, neat?
All right.
Okay.
Wait, is this okay?
Oh, that's great.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Hi, David.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hi.
Is something wrong?
Yeah, I'm very, very sad.
Oh, I'm sorry you feel sad, Big Bird.
Yeah, me too, because I don't like feeling sad.
Well, Big Bird, first of all, you got to know something. That feeling will go away. That's very important for you to know.
Yeah, I mean, eventually you will stop feeling sad.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, we're positive. There's something else, too. Sometimes it helps to talk about what makes you feel sad.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
sit down. Now
Right there,
tell
sit
us.
down.
Why are you sad, Big Bird?
Right.
Well, see, Granny Bird was supposed to visit me today.
Uh-huh.
I had everything all planned.
Mm-hmm.
I had a book all picked out for her to read to me. And I was going to show her new pictures I drew especially for her. And then we were going to go to the park. But now we can't do any of that because she called me on the telephone and said she can't come today. Oh boy.
Well, now I understand why you feel sad.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
You know, you were right. Talking about it really did help.
It did?
Yeah.
Good.
Now that I've talked about it, I've told you what happened, I'm not feeling nearly so sad.
Good.
Fantastic.
No, I'm feeling angry.
Oh.
Yeah, here I made all those plans, and I worked so hard on a picture, and I really wanted to go to the park. No wonder I was sad. Boy, I am so angry. Oh, boy, am I angry. I am so angry.
Oh, I know, Bird.
Well, maybe it'll help if you tell me why you feel sad.
Well, I'm sad because I can't play with you today because your Granny Bird's gonna come visit you.
But Granny Bird is not coming to visit me today.
She's not?
No, she called me on the telephone and she told me that she couldn't come. So that means we can play together, Snuffy. And if I can't have my visit with Granny Bird, then what I want to do most in the world is play with you.
Well, I'm glad you told me that, Bird. I'm not sad anymore.
Oh, I'm glad. So we can play. What'll we play, Snuffy?
Well, let's see. How about a pretending game, Bird? Yeah, how about if you be your Granny Bird and I'll be you and you call me up and tell me you can't come visit. How about that?
Well, okay, all right. Okay. I'll dial the phone. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi. Hello, Big Bird. This is your Granny Bird.
Oh, hello, Granny Bird. I can't wait for you to come visit me today.
Well, that's why I'm calling, Big Bird. I can't come visit you today, Grandsonny.
What? But I had the day all planned out. We were gonna have such fun. We were gonna play jacks and draw some pictures and read some stories and make spaghetti and fix the wheel on my little red wagon. Oh dear, I am really out of shape now. My whole day is ruined. What am I
Well,
to do?
you could go play with your best friend, Snuffy.
Snuffy? Yes. Oh, what a good idea. Yeah, Snuffy is the best friend a bird ever had. Why, he's helpful and friendly, and he's so good at playing games.